Did you fail JAMB and then you are about to fail your WAEC out of ignorance? Tell me, what shall it profit you if you smash your JAMB and end up failing your WAEC? I tell you, you are as good as somebody who failed JAMB. WAEC is a more tougher exam than JAMB because you know that in your WAEC, you take practicals, you take theory, and then you take objectives. And not only that, you do 9 good subjects in WAEC. So tell me, if you fail WAEC, how do you intend to gather the strength to rewrite your WAEC? So if you do not want to make the mistake of your life, tighten your seatbelt and let me unveil to you the secret of smashing 9 A1s in your WAEC in just a single sitting. And not only that, I'm going to show you the secret of what to do when your WAEC is 2 weeks away. And also, I'm going to show you how to study when WAEC has started, how to make adequate use of your timetable without going haywire. So, if you love to do all these I've said, come on. Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Adeze Chinwe and I am an educator based in Nigeria. Yes, so as you can see, the following tips and secrets I'm about to reveal to you weren't just made up. So the first thing I need you to understand, your WAEC is your last chance to prove yourself in your secondary school. Yes, you've written JAMB, you didn't do so well. Don't be weighed down. Okay, you can do it. The next point is that you should pray. Pray as if there's no tomorrow. You are to go and get your WAEC syllabus. This is very crucial. Okay, the truth is that you're not going to cover everything in your classrooms. Now when you get the syllabus, begin to tick out the topics you've done in school very well. The ones you didn't do very well and the ones you didn't do at all, you begin to study with it. The next thing is to get the right appropriate resources in your textbooks and your past questions. Okay, yes, if you want me to recommend some good textbooks that you can use, do let me know in the comment section and then I will take my time to research and publish a video on that. So the next thing you have to do is to map out a study schedule and a study space. Your schedule helps you to study all the subjects that you need to take without leaving anyone behind. Then your study space is important. We are all different. Okay, some people can read with earpiece and music in their ears. Yes, while some people can't even stand the drop of a cup on the floor. So you know your makeup, understand yourself, and make out that perfect space which will allow you to concentrate and then you study. The next thing is now, how do I study? Yes, I said study because a lot of people do reading. Okay, you read novels, you just flip through your novels and enjoy it, and voila, you are done. But studying, you are taking notes, you are making summary of whatever you are reading. And I will recommend as you study, you make use of 3 good resources. Okay, one is your school notes. If you have a very good school note, use it and then incorporate it with 2 other textbooks for each of your subjects. This is what it does. As you combine these 3 things, this is a powerful resources that you have, and then you begin to make summary of whatever you are reading. At the end of the day, you will be left with a very rich summary of all the subjects that you have taken. And I tell you, no devil can stop your what? Your success. Then, after that, let me give you special tricks of how smart students can gather marks in their WAEC. I would love you to take a minute of your time and subscribing to this channel and then turn on the notification button so that you don't get to miss whenever I publish a video, because trust me, you know it's always value packed. Yes, back to the secret of how you can gather marks in your WAEC. Okay, subjects that involve practicals, right? Biology, chemistry, catering, craft. Yes, you do your practicals. Don't commonize your practicals. Your practicals is a good place where you can gather marks for yourself. Don't blow that up. Then subject like English language, you know, you do your comprehension, you do essay writing, you do summary writing. These are the places you can gather smart mark if you are smart. And I know that you are a smart student for having sitting down to watch this video. Yes, so how do you get good in your summary writing? you begin early to practice from your past questions. Okay, as you practice, you do your summary, you do your comprehension, then you go and beg your English teacher or anybody that is good to please rate you, to please mark you with WAEC standard and correct you. When WAEC is like say 2 weeks ahead, what do you now do? How do you now begin to study? Because lots of people, they'll feel like carrying the whole of their books and reading at a time, which you know it's not possible, because you will end up frustrating yourself and not even achieving anything. Okay, so when that has happened, you are now to do deep study. Okay, sacrifice your sleep, whatever it is, you will not die. You see that summary book that you've written, that is what you should dwell on. Those of you taking calculation courses like mathematics, please get a 40 leaves and make sure you've transferred all the formulas you will be using in your calculation. This is very important. Why did I say that? You make it handy, okay? So that anywhere you go, you can always carry this notebook, and whatever free chance you get, you flip through and begin to see. I tell you, before your WAEC comes, you will be surprised that your brain has crammed the whole of the formula you need for your exam. The same applies for English. Get a note. You see those words you came across when you were doing your past questions, which you do not know their meanings, like the antonyms, the synonyms. Okay, write all this down, look for their meanings, and then keep going through them before your exams. Is that okay? The next thing is WAEC has started. How do you now organize your reading? How do you make adequate use of your timetable so that you don't end up getting confused? Let's say you have 3 subjects in a week. You have mathematics on Monday, you do not have anything on Tuesday, then you have physics practicals on Wednesday, you do not have anything on Thursday, and then you have English on Friday. So this is what to do. Don't read mathematics at the moment. Take your physics up and begin to read it. Say you read it Monday, Tuesday, okay? Then you take your English, read it Wednesday, Thursday, and probably half of Friday. By weekend, pick up that mathematics that you have on Monday and begin to read it. Okay, you leaving the first paper for the weekend of that Monday is going to help you remember everything you need to remember. It will also help you not to forget the remaining 2 subjects you still have to take that week. Okay, so this is how to go about it. And finally, remove every form of distraction this period. Distraction could be in form of social media, it could be in form of that unserious friend of yours. After WAEC, you have all the time to sleep, you have all the time to do what? To ping and to chat. Okay, so please do all this, and I assure you, you will testify and you will come back here to say, "Ma'am, thank you so much. This trip really helped me." I can't wait to celebrate you because I know you can do this. Okay? Yes, so that is a wrap for today, and please, I'd love to connect with you and hear from you. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do it by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I publish a video. Until I see you in my next video, it is a bye.